Sustainable waste management is more than just handling our trash. It involves setting up a system that cuts down on waste right from the beginning. Waste prevention, the critical first step, is key. For instance, companies can design products with less packaging or use materials that are easier to recycle. A great example is the ban on single-use plastic bags in many cities, encouraging people to use reusable bags instead. By choosing to use reusable items, you are taking a proactive step that can greatly decrease the plastic waste that goes into landfills and oceans, making you a responsible part of the solution. Waste-to-energy (W2E) systems are another helpful practice. They turn waste into energy by burning it and powering buildings and even entire communities. They reduce the reliance on traditional energy sources and minimize landfill use. Some cities have W2E plants that burn non-recyclable waste to generate electricity, turning trash into a valuable resource. Coupled with efforts like setting up waste stations in public places to guide people on proper waste sorting. These initiatives, with your active participation, collectively make a significant impact. By using both traditional and new methods, we can improve waste management to protect our planet's health. Sustainable waste management is all about finding innovative ways to deal with the waste we produce while protecting the environment. Let's explore the top 10 practices making a big difference today. 1. Waste prevention. One of the best ways to manage waste is to prevent it from being created in the first place. This means designing products with less packaging and making things that last longer. Companies can use materials that are easier to recycle or create products that can be used in multiple ways. This proactive approach is key to sustainable waste management. 2. Waste reduction. Another important step is cutting down on the waste we produce today. This is not just a task for governments and corporations but for each of us as individuals. We can start by banning single-use plastics, like plastic bags, and encouraging people to use reusable items instead. For instance, many cities have started charging for plastic bags to empower people to bring their own, showing that our individual actions can make a difference. 3. Reuse. Before throwing something away, consider if it can be used again. Reusing items extends their life and reduces the need for new products. Glass jars can be cleaned and used for storage, and old clothes can be turned into cleaning rags. 4. Recycling. Recycling is key to sustainable waste management. It turns used materials like plastic bottles and paper into new products, conserving resources and cutting landfill waste. 5. Implementing circular economy principles. In a circular economy, products are made to be reused, repaired, or recycled into new products. This is different from the traditional linear model of take, make, dispose. Companies are now designing electronics that can be easily disassembled and parts reused. 6. Innovations in decomposition. New technologies are making it faster and more efficient to break down waste. Certain bacteria and enzymes are being used to decompose organic waste quickly, turning it into compost that can be used to enrich soil. 7. AI-driven and smart solutions. Artificial intelligence is improving waste management by optimizing collection routes and enhancing sorting at recycling centers. Smart bins can provide real-time data on waste levels, helping to reduce overflows and improve recycling rates. 8. Education and community engagement. It is crucial to educate people about the importance of sustainable waste management. Community programs and campaigns can teach residents how to sort their waste properly and encourage them to participate in recycling and composting programs. 9. Waste-to-energy (W2E) systems. This uses waste to make energy. Burning waste can create electricity and heat, decreasing the need for fossil fuels. However, it's essential to ensure that this process is done cleanly to minimize pollution. 10. Setting up waste stations. Establishing designated areas for different types of waste in busy places, like shopping centers and offices, helps people sort their waste correctly. Clear signage and guides can help everyone understand what goes where, making recycling more accessible and practical. These ways of managing waste are crucial for lessening our impact on the environment. By preventing waste, reusing materials, recycling, and using innovative technologies, we can create a cleaner, healthier planet for future generations. In summary, sustainable waste management is vital for protecting our environment and saving resources for the future. Practices such as reducing waste, reusing items, recycling, and using waste-to-energy systems can greatly reduce landfill and incineration waste. Technological advances and community involvement are key to improving these methods, making waste management better and more efficient. AI-driven solutions can optimize waste collection and sorting, while educational campaigns can foster a culture of sustainability. As individuals and communities, we all have a part to play in this process. Simple actions like reusable bags, properly sorting our waste, and supporting policies promoting sustainable practices can collectively make a big difference. By continuing to innovate and invest in sustainable waste management solutions, we can create a cleaner, healthier environment for ourselves and future generations. The path to sustainable waste management continues, but with dedication and teamwork, we can make great strides forward. For other sustainability practices, please follow for more.